as a business owner, it's super important that you're posting content both on your personal social media pages as well as your businesses. A lot of times people ask me, Adam, what is most important? And without more details, it's really tough to answer that question. It depends really primarily on your industry. And so for me, as a digital marketing person that owns multiple businesses, I want people to know me not only as a digital marketer, but also as a consultant, a speaker, a serial entrepreneur. So for me, it's really, really important to be able to post a lot of content and build that authority in my personal brand on my personal page while keeping everything in the business separate. So it also depends on what are your goals as an entrepreneur, and it's really important to be clear on those things so that way you have a better strategy and a better idea of what type of content you should be posting and the differentiation between your personal social media pages as well as the business. It's also important for you to understand the significance behind what the personal stuff and the personal page can actually do for your business as well to play hand in hand. One of the reasons why I've been so successful in digital marketing specifically is because I post my content differently than a lot of digital marketers that are out there. And people end up finding out, oh, even though I'm not posting a bunch about digital marketing, oh, Adam just so happens to be a digital marketer and offers a lot of the services that my ideal clients who are also connected with me, particularly on Facebook, also just so happen to need. So while they're different, they can also play hand in hand. And then when we go to our business page specific stuff, it's a lot more derived from digital marketing and all of those types of content and education. So personal and business pages are two completely different things, two completely different strategies. And as an entrepreneur, you should be doing both of them. Depending upon what your goals are, if you want to be an industry expert, a speaker, a consultant, own multiple businesses, there's also a huge advantage to be able to put a lot of time, energy, and effort into that personal page. Obviously, multiple benefits to be able to do it from your business page as well. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that it gave you some insights and some things to think about when it comes to how you treat both your personal and your business pages when it comes to social media. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.